This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 2132. It is in like new condition. Mileage is 11,000. The chassis is a 2017 Dodge 4500. It has factory 4-wheel drive, and it also has a liquid ride system for handling and also kneeling to facilitate a lower load height. Engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Overall length is 25 feet 6 inches. Overall height is 114 inches. Headroom is 72. It is an AEV module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets. It has a new wheel-in siren and speakers, new wheel-in LEDs on the outside and the inside both. It has a Vanner inverter and charger, a new HVAC system. It is a 2017 Dodge 4500. Has 11,000 miles on it. Has factory 4-wheel drive, 6.7 liter diesel engine. The body configuration is left front oxygen. L number 2 houses the inverter. It also has an adjustable shelf. L number 3 has double doors. Inside outside access and 2 adjustable shelves. It has all new rub rails, new fenderettes, all new diamond plate corner guards, mud guards, new running boards, new diamond plate flip up rear step. The load height is 33 inches when the liquid ride is dumped. Interior configuration is left side attendant seat, forward and aft action areas with storage below, behind, and above. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. Has storage above the walkthrough. It is a Type 1 walkthrough configuration with a 3/4 partial walkthrough. It has a new console with storage for beverages, documents, place to mount radios. It has storage above the right cabinet stack, inside outside access to the ALS compartment. Storage above and behind the squad bench for gloves, other sliding storage. Also has storage below the squad bench and a multi-point buckling system. Waist and sharps both at the head of the squad bench and at the forward action area. It has a lowered skirt line for ease of entry and egress at the curbside step. Right rear compartment for longboard storage, other adjustable shelves. It has an adjacent storage compartment. It has a large access to the inside-outside ALS compartment. It has 2 batteries under hood and also a battery compartment, which more batteries could be added to or used for alternative storage. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 2132, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit us at our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.